Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the deep sign language to text conversion. So the one is the sign to audio and another is audio to text. So let's explore one by one. Now click on the audio to text. You have to give the input as audio and it will convert into text. Like click on the start speech, then it will open the mic. Hello, how are you? Then it will convert audio into text and it will convert in the English and Kannada language. And let's click on the sign to audio and it will convert the sign into text. Okay, so I'm just giving the sign and it will convert into text. Like I'm just showing the O, it will detect as O in the text format. If you click on the exit button, then it will close the software. It will also convert into Kannada. Okay, so this is the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.